In today's world of architecture and home design, the concept of blending indoor and outdoor spaces has evolved into a sophisticated art form. The modern tropical outdoor kitchen exemplifies this, bringing together nature, luxury, and open-air entertaining in a seamless and elegant manner. This kitchen style takes inspiration from tropical landscapes, combining high-end materials with functional design, all while embracing the beauty of natural surroundings. This video will explore the definition, fundamental principles, requirements, and application of a modern tropical outdoor kitchen, offering insights into how homeowners and designers can create a perfect balance between comfort, aesthetics, and functionality. Definition of a modern tropical outdoor kitchen. A modern tropical outdoor kitchen is a purposefully designed culinary space located outdoors, usually within a patio, garden, or poolside setting, that embraces tropical aesthetics while integrating modern amenities. The design philosophy revolves around using nature-inspired materials such as natural wood, bamboo, and stone. It ensures seamless indoor-outdoor connectivity, incorporates weather-resistant and high-performance kitchen appliances, and features luxurious yet comfortable furnishings. Additionally, it follows sustainability and eco-conscious design principles. This kitchen serves as an inviting space where homeowners and guests can cook, dine, and socialize while being immersed in nature. Basic knowledge and principles of a modern tropical outdoor kitchen. Creating a modern tropical outdoor kitchen requires an understanding of the core principles that define its aesthetics and functionality. One, an open-air kitchen that seamlessly connects with its surroundings. Designed with minimal walls or retractable glass doors, this kitchen maintains a continuous flow of fresh air while offering unobstructed views of the landscape. Shade elements like pergolas, thatched roofs, or extended overhangs ensure comfort by shielding the space from harsh sunlight and rain. Two, bringing nature into every aspect of the design. Lush greenery, tropical plants, and water features are thoughtfully incorporated to enhance the ambience, allowing the kitchen to feel like a natural extension of the surrounding environment. Three, durable materials that withstand the elements. Given its exposure to outdoor conditions, this kitchen relies on high-quality, weather-resistant materials, Countertops are crafted from quartz, granite, or stainless steel, while cabinetry options include teak wood, marine-grade polymer, or stainless steel. Flooring choices such as natural stone, concrete, or anti-slip tiles ensure both durability and safety. For a perfect blend of functionality and luxury. Equipped with built-in grills, pizza ovens, refrigerators, and ice makers, this kitchen offers top-tier functionality without compromising on style. Smart lighting, integrated sound systems, and automated shades elevate the experience, providing both comfort and convenience. Five, sustainability at the heart of the design. To minimize environmental impact, this kitchen integrates eco-friendly solutions such as rainwater harvesting, solar panels, and energy-efficient appliances, ensuring a greener and more sustainable outdoor living space. Key requirements for a modern tropical outdoor kitchen. To successfully design and implement this type of kitchen, several essential requirements must be met. 1. Choosing the right location to adapt to climate conditions. Positioning the kitchen in a sheltered area helps protect it from excessive sun exposure and heavy rainfall, while ensuring cross-ventilation and proper airflow keeps the space comfortable year-round. 2. Selecting durable and sustainable materials for longevity. Using natural, non-toxic materials allows the kitchen to blend harmoniously with its surroundings, while ensuring resistance to moisture, heat, and pests guarantees long-term durability. 3. Designing an efficient layout that enhances functionality. Incorporating the kitchen work triangle, sink, stove, and refrigerator ensures smooth workflow, while multiple zones for cooking, preparation, dining, and lounging maximize usability and convenience. 4. Enhancing ambience with smart and energy-efficient lighting. A combination of warm LED lighting, pendant lamps, and pathway lights creates an inviting atmosphere, while dimmable and motion sensor lighting improves energy efficiency and ease of use. Five, ensuring proper ventilation to manage smoke and odors. Installing an outdoor-rated range hood or ventilation system helps control smoke, while strategic openings or fans promote natural airflow, keeping the space fresh and enjoyable. How to apply these principles to your outdoor kitchen design. Step 1. Designing a functional layout that fits your needs. Choosing the ideal location within the property is the first step in creating a well-planned outdoor kitchen. Key features such as a barbecue station, bar area, or fire pit should be considered, and a rough sketch or professional consultation can help map out the space effectively. Step 2. Selecting materials that balance aesthetics and durability. Materials should not only match the tropical aesthetic, but also withstand outdoor conditions. Opting for neutral or earthy tones enhances the natural surroundings, while combining textures like smooth stone countertops with rich wooden cabinetry adds depth and character to the design. Step 3. Installing essential elements for cooking and dining. Once the foundational structures such as flooring, roofing, and countertops are in place, installing key appliances like cooking stations, refrigeration, and a well-plumbed sink ensures functionality. Comfortable seating, dining tables, and lounge chairs complete the setup for an inviting dining experience. Step 4. Bringing nature into the design for a lush ambience. Incorporating greenery, such as vertical gardens, potted palms, and hanging vines, enhances the tropical feel. Adding water features like a small pond, fountain, or reflecting pool introduces a serene and refreshing atmosphere to the space. Step 5. Enhancing comfort with climate control and cozy accents. To keep the space comfortable, features like ceiling fans, misting systems, and natural breezeways help regulate temperature. Soft furnishings, including cushions, rugs, and canopies, create a cozy atmosphere, while a fireplace or fire pit adds warmth for cooler nights. Step 6. Adding the final touches to personalize the space. Decorative accents such as woven lanterns, wooden carvings, and tropical prints bring character to the kitchen. A stylish bar counter with stools elevates the resort-like ambience, while smart home integrations for lighting, music, and security enhance convenience and modern functionality. A modern tropical outdoor kitchen is more than just a cooking space. It is a lifestyle statement that celebrates the harmony of nature, luxury, and open-air entertaining. By carefully blending sustainable materials, high-end finishes, functional layouts, and immersive landscaping, homeowners can create an oasis that enhances both aesthetics and practicality. Whether hosting a lavish dinner party or enjoying a quiet evening under the stars, this kitchen concept offers an unparalleled experience that transforms outdoor living into a refined, tropical retreat.
And here we show some examples of modern outdoor kitchen designs in a tropical style with various accessories, shapes, use of fireplaces, and others. Many of these kitchens use natural materials that make the kitchen look like it is one with nature. The material for the roof of the epity is made of straw, rustic wood, which shows a strong natural texture. Utilizing logs into long tables makes you feel like you are living in the middle of the forest. Likewise, chairs made of natural wood without much finishing show the beauty of wood patterns and natural color patterns. The combination of natural materials such as wood, straw, rocks combined with pools and waterfalls makes it feel more refreshing and very good for relaxation.